In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy tickets for Liverpool home games. To get started, head over to liverpoolfc.com and consider logging into your account. Next, from the homepage, hover your mouse on Tickets and Booking, then click on Tickets Availability. This is where Liverpool lists all upcoming home fixtures available for sale. From here, choose the home match you're interested in. Each fixture shows important info like whether you need an LFC membership, a supporter ID, or past ticket history. Make sure that you also check the sale dates carefully because popular games sell out in minutes. When the ticket sales open, log into your LFC account, choose your stand and seat on the stadium map, and basically go through the checkout process and follow all the on screen prompts. And once the payment is done, you'll then receive an email confirmation. Most tickets are delivered as e-tickets that you download to your phone for scanning at the turnstiles. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!